Sir, we are approaching your Potalaka hillock, which the Tibetan Buddhists have placed it somewhere in Kerala, some Pochala or something, some hillock, because of the similarity with Potala. Potala has been taken from the Chinese Putolo Jia Shan, Potalaka Sthan. So that is, and Gaibi Baba has been mispronounced as Guan Yin. And this hillock had been, Putolo Jia Shan means what you call brilliance. And up here, Jalwa Sthan means brilliance. Pahari Jalwa Shan Sthan Putolo Jia Shan. So, what do you call it? And both mean brilliance. And Gaibi Baba has been mispronounced as Guan Yin. So, sir, we are approaching your Potala Palace, your Potala Hillock. You read it in Taranath also.
Potala is also in Lhasa.
Yeah, Potala. According to Wikipedia, all Buddhist countries have a Potala hillock with a Guan Yin on top. So here we are.